The 10 aspects of change impact was introduced around 2015 and 16. It started to make its way into some of our conference presentations, more robustly made its way into the Prosci methodology right around, probably around 2015. But basically what we did is we took a step back and said, if we are rolling out that new CRM, the new ERP, the post-merger acquisition, the new product, the new location, how does it impact how somebody actually does their job? What are the aspects of how someone shows up each day that your change may or may not impact? And that's where we get the 10 aspects. Processes, systems, tools, job roles, critical behaviors along the right, and then mindsets, attitudes, beliefs, reporting structure, performance reviews, compensation, location. Your initiative may or may not impact these 10 aspects of how somebody does their job, but you don't know until you start to ask and think about it and define change impact at that individual level. The other thing that this does right out of the gate is it helps us understand that a change impacts different groups differently. If we are redesigning our expense reporting approach, we're rolling out a new system for expense reporting, an employee that submits expenses once a quarter will be barely impacted. An employee that submits expenses once a week will be significantly impacted. Our accounting department that processes expenses, their whole entire job will be turned on its head. And so these 10 aspects and the framework of focusing on change impact at the individual level helps us to start to make sense of how change comes to life differently across our organization.